A few months ago, I bought the SimLab P1X dashboard in full carbon, as well as the RaceDeck XL button box for the largest Stream Deck, and a standard RaceDeck for the normal size Stream Deck to use on my simulator, for a couple of reasons. Firstly, because they look really cool and they add to the look of the sim, but also because it gives me vastly more flexibility in terms of the button pressing without having to navigate through menu screens on iRacing. I already owned the Stream Decks and I already knew how good they were, but I needed an aesthetically pleasing case for them because sticking them onto the rig with Velcro just didn't look professional. I also wanted a colour scheme that would match my rig and my simulator room, and since I have a Nürburgring themed room, I wanted the green colours that match all the green backlighting that I have in my simulator room. And Apex Sim Racing custom fitted the green buttons for no extra charge. Once everything arrived, it was extremely simple to fit the Stream Decks, everything worked first time, and as you'd expect from Apex Sim Racing, the quality and the finish was top level. And in terms of immersion, I love that I can now start the car realistically, and I love that when I'm changing things like the brake bias, I'm grabbing a physical dial and you can feel each notch, each click very definitely. I've assigned some of the other dials to help me very quickly change the field of view, or the driver height, or even the horizon, so that when I jump in and out of different cars, I can quickly adjust the settings exactly to my liking, without having to find the correct menu and click a mouse. By adding this dashboard and these button boxes, I feel like I've transformed my sim rig into much more of a real cockpit. And although none of this equipment was cheap, it's definitely good value. It's exactly the kind of quality that you'd expect for this kind of money, and I'd fully recommend it to anyone looking for a high-end set of button boxes, especially if you want to pair them with Stream Decks to give you that added layer of functionality. And remember, if you're interested in these button boxes, or the dashboard for the P1X, or in fact anything on the Apex Sim Racing store, use my coupon code BRAD at checkout and you'll receive 5% off all qualifying items. And as I'm sure you're very aware if you're watching this video, 5% off of the cost of high-end sim equipment can add up to quite a lot of money. Thanks for watching. Use the link in the description to head to the Apex Sim Racing store, and if you've got any questions about these products, please ask in the comments below.